Hey traders, it's great to see you again. Olivia Hart with you, and today I have got something really special, a strategy that works like a clockwork. So we will be using average moving indicators to enter the most profitable trades. So stick around till the end to learn how to catch the price right at its peak. And by the way, in my Telegram channel, you will find more strategies and signals. So make sure to check the link in the description and join. Now let's start. Okay, just a quick setup. We're adding two simple moving averages and set the first one to a period of 4 and color it green. The second SMA will have a period of 26 and I will set it to red. Okay, here's our first scenario. We can see the lines crossing. So I'm opening an upward trade. Okay, on this same chart, we can also see how the sell signal worked just perfectly before, but now the price is moving confidently upward, and we're going to ride this trend to make a profit. From personal experience, this strategy has about an 80% success rate, which is really excellent for something so simple. Okay, we have just taken our first $455. Okay, here is another promising situation. The chart shows an impending signal, so as soon as the candle closes and the lines cross, we're going for an upward trade. The indicator settings are optimized for a 15-second time frame and 1-minute expiry to filter out false signals, so be sure to set up your chart correctly. The second trade, but by the way, also came through with profit, although it was a bit nerve-wracking. Third setup on the chart. Ideally, we would have entered about 20 seconds ago, but even now, the signal should still bring us profit. The price has dipped a little, making our entry even better. And there is it, an immediate upward movement, which clearly shows the quality of these signals. Today, the market has plenty of upward opportunities, but this strategy works just as well for downward moves. In the end, this signal delivered and the price showed a solid upward trend, adding another profit. Guys, unfortunately, the recording meets next trade, so let's break it down post trade. At the entry, the price was near a previous low, and our indicators show that the new low would be even lower, which is why I opened a sell trade. So you can see the results on the screen. And now the final trade, I will be going for an upward entry. So as you can see, we were slightly late on the entry, but even so, this trade should close in profit. And these and the previous trades were done on OTC pairs, as the strategy works great even on these pairs. Okay, we saw this price reverse a bit earlier, moving upward, and the dual moving averages signals shows that these movements should continue within minutes. 5 out of 5 and $2,280 added to my account. So all you need is the right moment and profit is in your pocket. So even for more some strategies and signals, join my Telegram channel. There you will find the best tips, and see you in the next video.